Which substance is a product of glycolysis, a precursor of gluconeogenesis, and a precursor of the citric acid cycle? A. Glucose, B. Pyruvate, C. ATP, or D. Coenzyme A?
To be able to answer this question, let's look at the big picture and find all these complicated words that are in this question. So glycolysis is the breaking down of glucose into two molecules of pyruvate. Pyruvate then enters the citric acid cycle, and the coenzymes of the citric acid cycle will enable to do oxidative phosphorylation, which we will get 63 ADPs from 36. Sorry. Yeah, a little dyslexic. And from the initial glucose molecule. In order for pyruvate to enter the citric acid cycle, it has to be transformed into acetyl-CoA. For this reaction, the coenzyme A is used. So coenzyme A in general prepares small acyl groups such as acetyl for reactions with enzymes, as we've just seen for pyruvate into acetyl-CoA. Gluconeogenesis is the reaction that will form glucose from non-carbohydrate molecules such as pyruvate. Now let's take a closer look at ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate, or adenine and ribose, and 3 phosphates. It is the storage molecule of energy in the body. Therefore, the answer is B, pyruvate.
Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase causes A. The oxidation of a molecule NAD+ to NADH. B. The reduction and phosphorylation of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to produce 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. C. Neither A or B. D. Both A and B.
Okay, so this reaction is showing us step 6 in glycolysis. And during step 6, what's happening is the aldehyde group here of each of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates is being oxidized to a carboxyl group by the coenzyme NAD+, which is then reduced to NADH. So a phosphate adds to the new carboxyl group here, so that we have the high energy compound 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. So it's on carbon 1 and carbon 3. All right, so our answers here are A, the oxidation of a molecule of NAD+ to NADH. That is not correct because it's being reduced, so it would be reduction. And it's not B because it is the oxidation and phosphorylation of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to produce 1,3-biphosphoglycerate. So it's neither A or B, and it can't be both because it's neither of them.